Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Seperti balon.
Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Vemos a los Ticks de Chick con Chick Hicks. Soy su amigo el pasado y por siempre campeón de la Copa Pistón. Chick.
Guys, let's head out.
Lanny wants to ace the test in order to please Cito.
You may begin.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
talking about thunder?
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow!
Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera. Kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan overal zijn. Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, go, go. Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
Word, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win a friendship.
Hey, man. Right back at ya. Oops, I missed. You going on the...
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the cape. K-I-S-S.
Do you really think I'm going to...
Tag, you're in.
What?
Sneak through that window!
What does that mean?
Go!
On en route.
Trooper responded. Where's the phone? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Charming.
Well, thanks. But as much fun as it was hanging with y'all, this...
Crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have... Lightning McQueen!
Good job. Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod.
Holy cow! It's Jackson's Storm for the win.
Luigi, what do you have at your store?
Tires?
And if no one can get to you?
I won't sell any.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I was beat.
Can only be disarmed by the one who activated it.
Say it.
Deactivate.
I really need is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, that's in the...
Now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.